Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through the steps on how to enable alerts for Live Spaces notifications on the X app. If you're someone who doesn't want to miss out on live conversations, turning on this setting is the best way to stay updated the moment a space starts. Let's get right into it. First, grab your phone and open up your main settings. This is where all the app management happens, so everything we need can be found right here. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up a full list of all the apps installed on your phone. From here, look for X, then tap on it to open up the app's specific settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for notifications, permissions, and more. Once you're inside the X app settings, select Notifications. This option will allow you to manage exactly how X can send alerts to your device. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This is an important step because the X app divides different types of notifications into categories, making it easier for you to control what matters most. Within the categories, look for the one labeled Live Spaces. Tap on it. This will open up all the dedicated notification choices related to Spaces on X. Finally, select Alert. By choosing this option, you're making sure that whenever a live space goes live, your phone will immediately notify you with a proper alert instead of a silent update. And that's it. You've successfully enabled alerts for Live Spaces notifications on the X app. Now, whenever a conversation you want to catch starts streaming live, you'll be the first to know. With this simple setup, you'll never miss out on those important live discussions again. If you've been wondering why you weren't getting notified before, this quick fix ensures you're always in the loop. Thanks for following along.